Yo, what's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 a day flipping cell phones without spending any money or buying any phones yourself. And no, it's not Craigslist.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
So, let's go ahead, let's get right into it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan, we talk about all things Amazon, e-commerce, that type of stuff. If you enjoy that type of content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that little notification bell so you can get updated with the latest and greatest from yours truly. So, for all you regulars, you already know what time it is, man. So, how are you gonna make at least $100 a day without buying the cell phones yourself, without having any physical cell phones, really? How are you gonna do that? And you're not gonna be using Craigslist. You know, you guys know my Craigslist method, which works every time, 100% of the time. This one, guys, is a website that I use quite frequently. A lot of you may know about it. It's called Swappa, right? And I know a lot of you guys are like, oh yeah, but you buy phones there, you can sell phones, blah, 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 blah. What a lot of people don't know is they have an affiliate program. So thanks to my beautiful cameraman, he's gonna be hooking it up and showing you guys the Swappa affiliate section. Now, you guys do have to have a business, but you can fill out the information and then get approved so you can get your affiliate link, and this is how you're gonna market it. There are a million different Facebook groups dedicated to buying and selling cell phones, right? There's Facebook groups for it. You can start a YouTube channel. You can start marketing it on Instagram. Pretty much any free method you want. Even if you're not in a Facebook group, if you have a Facebook page, you can still market it there. Like, hey, look, there's this iPhone 6, you know, or 7 or whatever, you know, whatever iPhone, whatever. Really, it's any device that you would want to sell. You guys will get your affiliate code. You'll find, you know, a phone, post a link about it, and people will go and buy, and you'll get a commission for that without having to do anything for it. Guys, you don't have to do anything, nothing at all. All you have to do is promote it, and you get to promote it for free because you're gonna be using free channels for traffic. Guys, there are so many Facebook groups dedicated to buying and selling phones. If for any reason you think that you can't do this, I'm sorry, I can't help you any more than that. Guys, it is a no-brainer. If you don't have the capital to get started with what you want to get started with, whether that's like Amazon dropshipping, you know, private label that is, eBay dropshipping, if you want, you go check out Ecom Tom or Mark from No BS Dropshipping, because we don't do that here. Or you know, like Shopify dropshipping, which we have done, we're successful with. If you need capital to get into that, then you can definitely get on the Swappa affiliate bandwagon and start selling cell phones that way. There's really no better way to get started buying and selling cell phones. Like, you can, if you don't have any capital, that is. Now, if you have capital, then what I recommend you do is go to Craigslist and start buying and selling cell phones. Now, Craigslist is a treasure trove of iPhones. If you don't have the capital, like I said, Swappa affiliate program, guys. Swappa affiliate program, you will get a commission when there's a purchase within 30 days, guys. So within 30 days of them clicking your affiliate link, doesn't matter. If they go through wherever on Swappa, so let's say the link that you post towards, you know, the iPhone 6 or something or whatever, they look at it like, nah, man, it's too old. I'm not feeling that. I'm too balling for that. Well, guess what? You get a bigger chunk of the commission because these people bought. But even if they don't buy that day, let's say they buy on the 29th day after clicking your affiliate link, doesn't matter. Guess what? You still get that commission. It is a viable way to get cash money up front. Oh, I can't say up front, but to get, you know, cash money going so you can get into other business ventures. All right. I know a lot of you guys are having capital issues. You know, it's the holidays. There's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of moving parts, and you want to get some of that money up. Guys, this is a very, very good way to do so. With that being said, guys, make sure you check out the links below, get into our free Facebook group. If you do not want to learn about Amazon private label dropshipping, that is okay. We still cover a lot of e-commerce topics, and we generally try to help you guys out in whatever endeavors you're going for. So with that being said, man, yo, be safe, be smart, peace out. I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. It's time to get some dinner started. I'm hungry, I'm starving, just got back from the office. You already know. Peace.